What's going on, guys? Before I start this video, hopefully this isn't gonna shake too much. I'm just doing a long drive, got a 1 hour and 40-minute drive, and I thought, well, if I can get a video out here, it'll save me a bit of time. I'm on my way to an appointment. I've got a meeting. Let me see if I can fix this up a little bit. All right. And today's topic, I've just been listening to Joe Dispenza. And for those of you that don't know him, I highly suggest to look him up and start researching his studies and research in quantum physics and science. You know, the topic law of attraction. Are you one of those people that know law of attraction? However, you feel that you can't use it to your favor? Because the issue with law of attraction, for a lot of you watching this, I know most of you know it, I know most of you believe in it, but I also know that you know it's not working for you, because I've had the same experience. And I think, you know what, I'm thinking these things that I want, I know what I want, I visualize it, I think it, I write my goals down. But what happens is every time you're thinking about what you want, you're actually reassuring yourself of how far away from it you are. You're feeling resentment, you're feeling frustration, you're feeling impatience, and you're wondering, why the fuck isn't it here right now? Why don't I have this already? I know better than this. I'm manifesting, I'm thinking, I'm doing, I'm actioning, but it's not happening. Alright? Now, I was the worst for this. I did this constantly. Why aren't I'm too attached to the outcome. Wayne Dyer says it best. Be open to everything, but attached to nothing. Wanting something too much and hanging on to it. Sorry about the bumps. This is a really bumpy road, guys. I'm trying to go a little bit slower here. Being too attached to an outcome, being too attached to what you want, does nothing but reassure yourself of how far away it is, which does nothing but your energy and law of attraction to push it away from you further and further, and you're chasing the carrot. You're like a horse out in these bloody paddocks, running around with a piece of stick over your head with a carrot in front of your face, and you're just following this carrot, constantly trying to eat this carrot that's constantly moving away from you. The biggest realization for me was money, like chasing the money. I was always chasing the money. And it gets to a point in your life of surrender when you know what, fuck it. I don't care anymore, I'm over it. You let go of the attachment, and all of a sudden they come. This can happen in relationships, a girl that you really want or a guy that you're really into. You're thinking about them, you want them, you're constantly thinking about how you can, have them in your life again, how you can get them together with them. But really you're constantly pushing them away energetically. And then you give up and you move on. You start seeing someone else, and all of a sudden they give you a call, they give you a text, and they come back and they're like, hey, they want you. Because you let go of the attachment to the outcome. Extremely powerful when you get this concept and you can let go of the resistance, you can let go of all of the shit that you want and just be happy that it's on its way. Have absolute faith and belief and just feel greatness, feel happiness, feel gratitude and appreciation that it's already there. And you hear this all the time. You hear it all the time in all of the law of attraction leaders, spiritual leaders, quantum physics leaders. But Joe Dispenza, just listen to him and create your life without the attachment of it. Stop reminding yourself that it's not here and watch it flow to you. So that's one topic I just wanted to talk about. I hope, sorry I can't connect with the camera too much. I hope it wasn't too shaky. But guys, leave your comments below, reply to my email. Let me know what you think about this topic, because for me, this is the killer. It's my kryptonite, is that attachment that I constantly push away what I'm trying to manifest in my life. So Joe Dispenza, check him out, take this on board, and implement it in your life for a few days and see what happens. Let go of the attachment to what you're trying to get and see what happens. All right, guys, see you on the next video.